Man, I made a critical error with installing these headlights. I'm so upset. And it was something real small. And I knew it was something off when I pulled the headlights. I was looking for the wire. Come to find out, it's for my HID ballast that you have to take off from your old headlights and put them on your new one. So I just took this one off, so I'm gonna do a demonstration on how to take this off. So I gotta kind of find a way to sweep this under and get it through here so it can go through this wide little spot. This is such a pain to get the fuck off. I hate this. There you go. Almost got it. Almost got it. I could unplug this, but there you go. Bingo. Finally got it. Boy, this shit here is a pain. This will probably take you like 20 fucking minutes to get off. Jeez. I needed to put this on this part right here and fit it. And then filter this through right here and then use it. There you go. Disconnect it so I don't get shocked and die. Try to connect it. I think it's this way. This way. Oh, it's this way. This way. That's all I gotta do. And then if I close it, filters to the big part. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lock this in. Next I'm gonna make this little, so bam. So this is what I was saying, like I knew this was important. I just didn't know if I could take this off. So what I do, I have it on here and I just lock it in and that's it, and lock it, and that's done. So okay, now they on now. Now we talking. Now this what the HID is supposed to look like right here. Full blast. Now these hard. Now let me know what you guys think. Hit the subscribe button, man. I'm out. Going.